Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a zebra, step by step, in a fun, calm and easy way that everyone can follow. We begin our drawing by sketching the mane and the head, slowly building the shape of the face. This is a great moment to take your time and enjoy the drawing process. Next, we move on to drawing the body and the legs, making sure that the proportions look right and the zebra feels balanced. At this stage, the drawing really starts to come together. Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. No two zebras in the world have the same stripes. Now it's time to add more details to the legs. Carefully finish the head and draw the nose and eyes to give our zebra personality and expression. These small details help bring the drawing to life. Of course, we cannot forget the stripes. They are the most important part of a zebra and make it instantly recognizable. Take your time adding them and have fun with the pattern. And that's it! Our zebra is finished and ready to shine in color. If you enjoy drawing with us today, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss more fun, relaxing and colorful drawing stories. Thank you for watching Stories in Color. See you in the next video.